Make a great choice today with 2015 1500. Ram 1500 went against the Chevrolet Silverado, Ford F-150, and Toyota Tundra, which are all excellent trucks in their own right. The Ram took home the prize for its well-rounded strengths and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power door locks, electronic stability control, day-night rear view mirror, tilt steering wheel, tinted glass, spray-in bed liner, front license plate bracket, black door handles, active grille shutters, 4-piece floor mat set. Your new ride is just a phone call away.